Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca Dances with Pitbulls. This is Mixed Media Monday. How about that? The world famous toilet paper books. I learned to make them from Shannon Green. I have tweaked my own, little things, like here's little tiny ones. And I think I'm going to put, I have some already made that need creeped up a little bit. So let's just, I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Hello, McFly. I guess what I'm going to do is just paint and glue. I got a bunch of Teesha Moore images here. I haven't used those in a long time. So I got painty papers to glue. I got stuff, man. So let's just do one. Let's just do one. Because you've all seen me do this. I got several videos. Generally, I would tell you do not use this wet glue with these spray inks, but for these it doesn't matter because you can like seal them. I meant to do that. Still got a little piece up there. I can do this. Ain't nothing but a thing. Yes, it is a thing. Okay. But actually, it's nothing but a thing. Okay. It soaks into that cardboard so fast, so very fast. I will trim up later. That is all there is to it. So do we want it this way? Let's do it this way, because let me go ahead. I need to go to the printers because I'm out of ink. But wait, she says. What about your 100 Things Challenge? Does that count? If you go to the printers and get more Creepy Girls? I don't know, because I already own Creepy Girl. So we'll see when I get done how many I still need. I wanted some eyeballs too, and I don't have any. Who wouldn't want that? Who wouldn't want that as a little booklet? So I'm going to go ahead and do more, and I'll be back. Okay, after a few non-productive days, I finally got my booklets done. Remember, we started with this. We added painty papers. I put the Teesha Moore and a Tim Holtz guy on there. Old notebook paper. Painted all the insides orange. Trying to use that up because it's old and clumpy, so I need a new one eventually. But these are the ones I got. Creepy Girls, fantastic. I put this one up high because I didn't want to right across his face. Kind of caught Creepy Girl's chin here. It's okay. They're just filler items to put on the table. So, yeah. So let's call that. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, I had 11. Where's my pen? Looks like I was using a Stabilo. Okay. Number 5 is toilet paper roll books. 11 of them. Okay, if you're new and you haven't seen me do a 100 things challenge, this is not 11 things for me. It might be 11 things for you, but for me, this is only one thing. Because if I counted this as 11 things, I would be a tenth of the way there, right? And that's not the purpose of this for me. Because I need to stop buying for a long time, not a short time. But anyway, for me, this is one thing. I guess it's the project is the thing. Okay, another thing I've been doing is I cut up my Captain Crunch and my cracker packaging, and I made bookmarks. Not just any bookmarks, eyeball bookmarks. Of course, she said. 5. Oh, this isn't eyeball, but 5, 6. Oh, and heart. These are Teesha Moore images. And I lost count. So, okay. Well, I should, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I'm just going to count that as 13. Or, I mean, bookmarks. Eyeball bookmarks. So also I found my old box of bookmarks, and there's another one. Oh well. I have put images from 1950s workbooks. That's a Teesha Moore. Here's a risque one. Work basket, that's what it was. Stocking leg. Not all of them, just some of them. But I'm picking out some, like these, I think. I'm going to put Creepy Girl on them. I don't think she'll fit on that one. That one don't need it. Some of them don't need it. And I'm using my own discretion. It's an embossed moon on that one. That's work basket. Work basket. So anyway, I guess these are... I don't like that one. My old business cards. Okay, so these are going in there. Oh, will these fit? I may have to change. No, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look, I see. So, congratulations to me. I will, when I get Creepy Girl put on these, I will count them as a thing. But I'm not going to do it yet. And I still have seven more. And who knows what packaging I'm going to find to alter, to upcycle, to recycle for my 100 Things Challenge. So I'm going to try to get some videos made, but I may have to skip a week. I hope you understand. I know you do. Because I got that thing coming up. I start Friday the 11th. So anyways, have a great week. Keep crafting. And I will see you at some point. And then at some point I won't see you, but it'll all work out. I will be back. I promise.